Good morning friends. Today I will be explaining how a teacher can share a Google form created by her with other teachers. Now let us assume that teacher A wants to share a Google form created by her with her friends teacher B and teacher C. Now let us open the form created by her by logging into her Google Forms, which is stored in the Google Drive. We can open the Google Forms by typing forms.google.com in the address bar. There are many other ways to open forms.google.com. You can also go to the docs and select the forms from the main menu. This is one way of opening the forms. So once you open forms, all the forms that have been created by teacher A are displayed here, and she can open the form that she wants to share with teacher B and teacher C. So click on the form and open the form. So once the form is open, now click on the more options, the three dots towards the right, vertical dots. So you can click there and select add collaborators, and here you can type the names or the mail IDs of the people whom you want to share. That is, the mail IDs of teacher B and teacher C have to be entered here. So let me assume that I will be forwarding this to teacher B and another teacher with the mail ID krevati29@gmail.com. So once you click this, type the mail IDs of the teachers whom you want to share your Google form, that is teacher B and teacher C's mail IDs. You can click on send. Now this will be shared with those two collaborators, teacher B and teacher C. Now please note that the responses here is 44. These responses belong to the class of teacher A. Now we will log out from teacher A. Now we will check out whether teacher B received this particular Google form. I will go to the new tab and log in with the mail ID of teacher B. Now, once the teacher has logged in with her mail ID, teacher B has logged in with her mail ID, she can open her Google Forms. Now, I will show you another way of opening Google Form. You click on the Google Apps, go to the Docs, and click on the main menu and select Forms. Now we can see here that the form shared by teacher A is already present in teacher B's Google Drive. Now she can open this and make modifications to this. Now if she wants to create a copy, now please note that the responses here are the responses of teacher A. Now this teacher B does not need these responses. She wants to create a fresh form for her class which she is handling. So now here in the address bar, you can remove the option edit, the last four letters edit, and type COPY, copy, and press enter key. And now she can make a copy by clicking on make a copy. So once she makes a copy, a fresh copy of this Google form shared by teacher A is present in her Google Drive. Now you can notice that there are no responses for this particular copy of mathematics slip test. Now she can rename the name to mathematics slip test 1. Slip test. And then she can save. Automatically whatever changes have been made, it will be saved. Now she can forward this link to her students and she can collect the responses for her class which she is handling. This is how a teacher can share the form created by her with other teachers. Thank you. Hope this video is helpful to you.